The LG Beats multi-user here, and today I'm doing a video about the LG Stylo 6 for Boost Mobile. So the Stylo 6 is now here at Boost Mobile as of May 19th, 2020. So this is really cool. So this is like kind of crazy because the Stylo 6 has been leaked out for the last couple of weeks now, and now the Stylo 6 is here. And yeah, it's available now at Boost Mobile as an exclusive for right now. So yeah, this is what the Stylo 6 looks like. This is the first Stylo phone to feature a notch on the phone, so that's pretty interesting. I'm surprised they did not go with the whole punch on this phone, but you know, it is what it is, alright. So the Stylo 6 is currently on sale. It's $40 off, so the retail price of the Stylo 6 at Boost is $219.99. Or if you guys get it right now, it's $179.99 currently. If you guys use the promo code Memorial 2020 at checkout, y'all guys will get an extra 20% off, so that will make it even cheaper. So let's go. So yeah, I will do that. I'll check it out at the end of the video, right? So it's $179, right? That's $179.99 on sale. So it's worth the price at $180 or $220. So anyways, this is what the Stylo 6 looks like. You guys have your earpiece right here, your notch for your front-facing camera, your power button, bang keys, and your Google Assistant key right there on the left. This is the left side of the phone here. You have your bang keys, Google Assistant key, and your SIM and micro SD card slide right there on the left side of the phone, right? There's the right side of the phone, power button there. Left side you'll have your bang keys, Google Assistant key, and your micro SD and SIM card slide. And then on the back of the LG Stylo 6, you guys will have 3 cameras on the back. Camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and the LG logo there on back. So that is really cool. So it says here, express who you are to the world with the new LG Stylo 6. The device that enhances your mobile life in all the ways you live it. Whether you are experimenting, creating, or sharing content, the Stylo gives you unlimited potential, even if you're on a limited budget. From the 6.8-inch Full HD Plus full vision display to 3 spectacular rear cameras on the built-in stylus pen, celebrate all the ways you love the hashtag #StyloLife. Alright. So one big thing we'll jump out at you is the screen size. That is correct. You're seeing it correctly at 6.8 inches. So that's a big jump from 6.2 from the Stylo 5. So that's a massive jump. So we're talking about we're talking about Galaxy Note 10 territory in terms of screen size. So yeah, this phone is compatible with the nationwide network. So you will be able to use this phone on T-Mobile. So that's pretty cool. 6.8-inch display, 13 megapixel main camera in the back, 24 hours of talk time, 64 GB of storage, and Android 10 on board. How's it work, guys? You know, it's very easy. Order today, wait for your friend to arrive, pick up and activate online. Pretty simple right there. Features of this phone, of course, the screen size, the cameras, the battery, the stylus, and all that. So it has a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus full vision display. Maximize your view with the 6.8-inch Full HD Plus full vision edge-to-edge display that provides total immersion into your favorite movies, shows, games, and content. Plus Full HD Plus resolution delivers a vivid visual experience with clear picture quality. Triple camera system. See the world through not one, but 3 lenses. The triple rear camera system captures the smallest of details, and wide, expansive views, all while keeping what matters in focus. Built-in stylus pen. Put your own spin on things with the built-in spring-loaded stylus pen. Write, edit, doodle, sketch, color, and jot down notes on the go. Designed for precision and accuracy. The stylus improves the way you work and play. Built for the hashtag long life. There is a lot of hashtags on this page here, so yeah. It says when it comes to loving this hashtag style of life, your passions never cease and neither should the battery. Stream, create, work, and play seamlessly with the 4,000 mAh battery that powers along. It's all the fuel you'll need to keep your passions going and going. Hashtag large life, memory, and storage. Let your big ideas fly with 64 gigabytes of storage and expandable microSD card storage. You get about 42 gigabytes available to use. So whether it's the hashtag photo life, hashtag video life, hashtag gamer life, hashtag GIF life, or hashtag sketch life, there's plenty of room for it all. Surround yourself in sound. Those speakers surround you in sound, ensuring you get a balanced sound together with DTSX 3D surround. The LG Stylo delivers a one-of-a-kind rich audio experience. Whether it's the movies or the music you love, immerse yourself in 3D sound that seems to come from all directions. A voice-activated assistant that's always in reach. Ask questions, plan your day, and make memories, all with just your voice. Your Google Assistant also makes it incredibly simple to take photos and selfies with your favorite camera mode and so much more. Snap, search, and see with Google Lens. With the point of a lens and AI integration, no information is beyond your virtual reach. Google Lens provides instant details based on a single image. Identify real-life objects from media and artwork to landmarks, animals, or even exotic fruit. One touch unlock. The rain print sensor helps unlock your LG Stylo 6 conveniently and quickly for peace of mind and return. Get help when you need it with live caption, smart reply, gesture, navigation, and more. Customize your phone and get things done just the way you want it. The Stylo 6 is also Mexico running capable. It says here stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Plan out on required for that to work. Also, the Stylo 6 is also voice roaming capable as well. Keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Sprint network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. And of course you get more Hotspot, of course. Don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access bars per plan. So the specs on the Stylo 6 are really good in my opinion. You have a 4,000 mAh battery plus fast charging, 24 hours of talk time, 3 GB of RAM, 64 GB of RAM, with support of a microSD up to 2 TB, 2.3 GHz octa-core processor, Android 10. You have 3 cameras on back. They are 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel wide, and a 5 megapixel depth rear cameras on back, and a 13 megapixel front-facing camera. Display is 6.8 inches, Full HD plus Full Vision display. Your dimensions for the Stylo 6 are 6.74 inches height, 3.6 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. And the frame weight is 7.73 ounces. Your connectivity options for the Stylo 6 include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Type-C, and headphone jack. Of course, that's always a win. So LG is keeping the headphone jack on the stylus here, so great job LG for doing that. What's included in the box is nothing special, of course. So the only thing that you guys will get in the box is your Stylo 6, the charging brick, SIM card installed, Type-C charging cable, and input information booklet. If you guys need help with your Stylo 6, this mobile can help you out with that as well. So if you guys need to learn how to set up Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or something like that, device support can help you out with that. It says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone? Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all the games and applications. So, there you guys have it. The LG Stylo 6 is now at Boost Mobile. It's currently available for $179.99, $40 off the full retail price. The retail price of the Stylo 6 at Boost Mobile is $219.99. So yeah, and if you guys use the promo code Memorial 2020, you guys will get an extra 20% off. So yeah, so let's see what happens. So the Stylo is $179.99. So we put in the promo code Memorial 2020 and see what it takes us. Out of here with that. So part of it, and that will bring the Stylo 6 down to $143.99. So if you guys buy the phone right now at its current price at $179.99, it's $40 off. If you put in the promo code Memorial 2020, it will drop the phone to $143.99, and I think at that price, it's definitely fucking still at that price. So, there you guys have it. The LG Stylo 6 is now at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.